Hello, my name is Bill, and today I will be giving a tutorial of the fourth question of the Caribou coding contest, junior contest. It's called rectangles. It's math class, and Robert has been handed a worksheet. On it are n. N is larger than 1, while smaller than 100 rectangles. And he's been asked to fill out their areas. Of course, Robert knows that the area of a rectangle is its width multiplied by its length. But that's terribly tedious, and he would rather spend his time catching up on sleep. Can you help Robert finish his worksheet quickly? On the first line, there will be a single integer, n. There will be n pairs of lines consisting of single integers, of which the first one will specify the length of a rectangle and the second will specify the width. The dimensions of each rectangle will be integers between 1 and 1,000 inclusive. Output consists of n lines, each of which consists of the area of the corresponding rectangle. The area are outputted in order of which the rectangle dimensions are inputted. Alright, we're just going to start off while using PyCharm CE. And we're just going to start off with a Python file. The name is going to be Junior4. Well, we're going to use n as the input of how many lines are there. Int input. Because it's going to be an integer. 4. I in range, and that means this loop will happen exactly n times. Now, a equals int input. B is going to be int input. A and B is going to be the length and width. So then we do print A times B. And it should give us the answer. I put in 4. And the sample is 3511. Alright. 3, 5, 15, 1, 1, 1. 21, 10, and 14, 14. 21, 10, 14, 14. And as you can see, these are all correct. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. Like and subscribe. Bye.